These DS18 Hydro NXL-6 and 1/2-inch marine speakers deliver strong, clean output with real volume headroom, so music stays clear even when the boat is moving fast or the engine is loud. The two-way coaxial design with a dedicated tweeter gives crisp highs and detailed vocals while still keeping mid-range instruments full and punchy. Their marine-grade construction, including an IP65-style water-resistant build and ultraviolet stable materials, makes them well-suited for salt spray, sun exposure, and rough weather use. The drivers reach from deep bass into very high frequencies, so you get a surprisingly full-range soundstage from a relatively compact speaker pair. Integrated multicolor lighting around the speaker adds a custom look at night and can be tied into a controller for matching the rest of the boat or vehicle lighting. Installation is straightforward for most standard cutouts, and the rigid basket and protective grille feels sturdy enough to handle long-term vibration and outdoor use.